Imagine this. You're stuck in traffic, the gas prices are sky high, and your apartment feels smaller every day. The American dream, once tied to sprawling suburban homes, is starting to look a little different, isn't it? What if you could have the freedom of mobility, the efficiency of cutting-edge technology, and the comfort of a personalized space, all rolled into one? Well, it seems Elon Musk and Tesla are betting you're thinking about that too. Whispers are turning into confirmations, and the 2025 Tesla tiny house is shaping up to be more than just a concept. Let's dive into what's being talked about. First, and perhaps most exciting, is the integrated supercharger network compatibility. Think about it. You pull up to any Tesla supercharger station, and not only can you charge your vehicle, but you can also power your entire home. This isn't just about convenience. It's about a fundamental shift in how we think about energy. Imagine road trips, not limited by traditional campgrounds, but by the vast network of Tesla charging stations, turning the entire country into your potential backyard. Next, and this is a big one for those who value customization, is the modular design. Tesla is reportedly working on a system where you can choose and swap out sections of your tiny house. Want a larger kitchen for a weekend cooking retreat? Swap out a bedroom module. Need a dedicated workspace for a remote project? Snap in a new module. This isn't just about flexibility, it's about creating a living space that adapts to your life, not the other way around. Think of it like Lego blocks for adults, but instead of building a castle, you're building your living space. Now let's talk about autonomy. Yes, you heard that right. While the idea of a self-driving house might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, Tesla is pushing the boundaries. The 2025 Tesla tiny house is expected to incorporate advanced autopilot features, allowing it to navigate pre-programmed routes or even follow your Tesla car. This means you could set your home to follow you on a cross-country adventure or have it pre-position itself at your next destination. This isn't just about convenience, it's about redefining the very idea of home. Another key feature is the integration of Starlink satellite internet. In a world where staying connected is more important than ever, this is a game changer. Imagine being able to work, stream, and stay in touch from anywhere, regardless of cell tower coverage. This isn't just about staying connected, it's about unlocking the potential for true remote living. Think about the possibilities for digital nomads, artists, or anyone who dreams of escaping the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Finally, and perhaps most crucial, is the focus on sustainability. Tesla is reportedly using recycled materials and advanced solar panel technology to make the tiny house as energy efficient as possible. This isn't just about reducing your carbon footprint, it's about living in harmony with the environment. Imagine a lifestyle where your home produces more energy than it consumes, contributing to a cleaner, more sustainable future. Now about the production plan, it's clear Tesla isn't just throwing out ideas. They're reportedly setting up dedicated production lines, leveraging their experience in manufacturing electric vehicles. The goal is to bring these tiny houses to market at a price point that makes them accessible to a wider audience. This isn't just about building a product, it's about creating a movement towards more sustainable, mobile, and personalized living. The 2025 Tesla tiny house isn't just a house, it's a statement that says the future of living is about flexibility, sustainability, and freedom. It's about redefining the American dream for a new generation.